Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another makeup video for you. I've just been rolling these out. So my face is already done. You want to see how I got this look? Go ahead and check out my videos where I did JaLynn's foundation routine and her concealer routine. But for this video, we are going to do a makeup look for my favorite season, which is fall. I love fall. I love the colors of fall. So I'm going to be rolling out some fall makeup look videos for y'all. But before we get into that, just take one quick second, if you haven't already, go down below and click that subscribe button. And once you do that, that bell notification button is going to pop up. Click that so you never miss an upload. Join the club. Yeah. Alright y'all, let's get into this. So as I said, my foundation is already done. Like, the full face is done. I could leave the house if I wanted to once I put on brows. Yeah, I'm gonna put my brows on. Alright, brows on. And I'm going to put concealer on my lid. And I'm going to bake a little bit. JaLynn taught me. A nice, just hovering over the skin, not pressing it in. Hovering. Don't want to mess up what we did. And then I'm going to blend this out. And I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is the shade Fawn. Alright, perfect. So I've been noticing that I've been loving like these fall berry, burgundy, pink looks. And so they've turned into my everyday looks, really. So this could be called like an everyday makeup look for me. And the palette I'm going to be using is the Royal Affair palette from BH Cosmetics. So this has a nice range of colors. It has mattes, it has shimmers. So perfect to create like any look. Alright, so I'm going to take this dome-shaped blending brush. And the first color I'm going to take is Lady, which is a pink color, and I'm going to use that as a transition. And I also love this palette because this mirror is everything, okay? And I'm just sweeping that right above my crease. So patting on the outside and sweeping it above my crease. So this color would be like perfect for me if it was just a little bit deeper, but it does show up on my skin. Alright, I'm done adding product. I'm just going to blend. Alright, I'm going to take another blending brush and I'm going to Regal this deep berry color. Alright, I'm going to put this color, I'm going to pat it on the outside and then sweep it into the crease. And I'm not adding any more product, I'm just blending. And I love the way this, I said it's a berry because as you can see it's like turning purple, which I love. Alright, then there's this beautiful color called Princess. It's a shimmer. Taking it on a large shader brush and I'm putting that in the center of my lid. Because I think I actually want to take this color over some and create like a halo. So I'm not adding more product, I'm just sweeping, what color was that, Regal? More into the inner portion of my lid. And once I spread it out, I'm just packing it on the lid to get that shimmer to pop. Then for this look, I do go to it's my Ray Ray palette. Y'all know I love it. So I'm going to use Allison, which is this champagne pink. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner and also sweep it up onto the lid. And I'm using this small detail brush. This is by Real Technique, letting it meet that other color. So it's like an inner corner highlight and a inner lid color. I promise you all, this is like a go-to look for me. Alright, I'm gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna use black today. Alright, and just like JaLynn said, I'm gonna get rid of this powder underneath, but we didn't use a lot, so we can just push it in. Right, now we're going to go to our lower lash line. So I'm going to go back into Lady for that closest, and then we're going to go into Regal. Put it right in there, and there we go. So this is my everyday blush, Artisan Baked Blush. This is Toasted Almond from Black Radiance. It's a good fall blush, good everyday. I love like berry and like, you know, just really natural blushes. I love deep mauve and berry blushes and like burgundy. Okay, we're gonna go for a subtle highlight using my Black Radiance contour palette. All right, I'm gonna get my lashes ready. These are Zell from Backlash. One of the students at the school that I work at sells them, so I'll just link her information in the description box. Sorry, these are not Zell, they're Bora Bora. I'm gonna put some mascara on while those lashes dry. Go ahead and set, and like Jackie said, once you set, just just take your sponge and press that powder, that setting spray in. I have this color from Black Radiance. I cannot remember the name, but it's a wine berry color, and I like to do that in the fall. I'm actually lining my lips first. This is the Ellery lip pencil from ColourPop. Apply my lip liner, overline just a little bit. All right, color going in. All right, let me get my life together and I can close out this video. All right, y'all, I'm back, all dressed up, ready. This is the finished look for my makeup. So nice berry wine colors for fall. But that's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.